Hi students, all of you welcome. Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil Kumar Bandaru. Students, recently we have completed classification of elements part 1. So here in this session we are going to discuss the remaining MCQs on the classification of elements. Theory topic is already completed. Okay. So if you want previous, just click on the playlist. You can find out the previous sessions. And students, just by open and skipping the video, you may not get anything. Please try to watch until the end, then you will get the idea. Okay, and these questions are very important. Okay, don't miss the session. So up to this one we have completed most electronegative element, fluorine. Yes, now in the following, which element is most ductile? What is meant by ductile, guys? Ductile or ductility, which enables us to make thin wires, which enables us to make thin wires. Okay, so which enables us to make very thin wires? Generally metals. Okay, in the metals we have gold. By using the gold we can make very thin wires, so it is the most ductile element. Okay, answer is option A. Coming to the next one, the ratio of pure gold in 18 karat gold is dash. Very repeated question. We know very well 100% gold is said to be 24 karat, correct? You know very well about this. If they are asking 18 karat gold, 18 karat gold, then how much of percentage of the gold in that? So that is nothing but 24 is said to be 100%. Then what about 18? So that is nothing but we can say 18 by 24. So 6 3s, 6 4. That is 3 by 4. That is 75%. So 18 karat gold is nothing but in that we have 75% of the gold. The 18 karat gold we have 75% of the gold. For example, here in the gold ornaments they mention 916 karat, 916 kdm. What is meant by 916 kdm? That is, in that we have 91.6 percentage of the gold is there. Okay, remaining is cadmium. Kdm means cadmium mixing. Okay, so and it is, if it is a 91.6 percentage gold, that is considered as 22 karat. 22 karat. So there is a chance to get the question. In the 22 karat, how much percentage of the gold is there? 91.6% gold is there. Okay, coming to the next question. In the following, which metal having highest melting point? Highest melting point, that is tungsten. Very important. Tungsten, approximately 3400 degrees centigrade. Okay, because of high melting point, it is used to make filaments in electric bulb. Filament in electric bulb. Okay, so answer is option A. Here if they are asking lowest melting point, that is mercury. Why? Because at room temperature also it is in the melted form. Which is lowest melting point? Just now I have given mercury. Which element stored in kerosene oil? So which elements are stored in kerosene oil? The element which is highly reactive with water. Highly reactive with water, those will be stored in the kerosene oil. Okay, like sodium. Sodium is the highly reactive with the water na. So you can search in the YouTube. So many videos you will get. That is experiments on sodium. They will drop some amount of sodium in the water. After a few seconds, it is like a blast. Okay, so sodium is very highly reactive element, so it has to be stored in the kerosene oil in the pure form. If it is sodium is in the pure form, you have to store that in kerosene oil. Which metal is responsible for Ita disease? Ita disease due to cadmium. So in the cadmium mines, the persons who are working in the cadmium mines get the disease called as Itai disease. Okay, coming to the next one. Which among the following elements is found maximum percentage in the human body? Maximum percentage in our human body. You know very well what are the elements present in our human body. We know oxygen is the main element. Nearly how much percentage? 65 percentage is oxygen only. And the second, we have the carbon, second most element, carbon, approximately 20% or 18.5 particularly. If you can consider the third one, hydrogen. So that means the main components are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen. That means you can say hydrocarbons only. Okay, if you can consider any organic compounds, okay, sucrose, maltose, whatever it may be, okay, so glucose, all are found with CHO only. Okay, so hydrogen approximately 9.5%, and nitrogen is also there but very less, 3.2. Okay, so highest or maximum percentage oxygen. Where is oxygen? Answer is option D. Very important question. Very important question. Okay, coming to the next question. What is the element that is in the highest percentage in the composition of the earth? In the earth composition also highest percentage is oxygen only. Approximately 46 percentage. Silicon silicon percentage approximately 28 percentage. After that we have the aluminum 8.3. After that iron we have 5.6. okay, after that calcium 4.2 percentage. They're asking magnesium just 2.4 percentage, potassium 2 percentage. Okay, so here in the composition of the earth, the highest percentage is nothing but oxygen. Oxygen. If they are asking the question like which are highest percentage in the atmosphere, in the atmosphere highest percentage is nitrogen. Okay, coming to the next one. Formation of ozone hole is maximum over dash. Ozone hole is maximum over Antarctica. Why the ozone hole is formed? Due to chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons. CFC. Okay, coming to the next one. The electric bulbs are filled with dash. The electric bulbs are filled with argon. Filled with argon. If the argon is not present, in that case, go with nitrogen. Nitrogen also used. Okay. So if the argon is there, go with argon. Glass is a dash. Glass may not form. Glass may not form crystalline structure. Crystalline structure. So that's why it is called as a liquid only. But it is a super cooled liquid. If you cool the liquid of glass, it will form the hard one. That is, so that's why it is called as super cooled liquid. So answer is option B only. And the raw materials used for the manufacturing of glass. The raw materials used for the manufacturing of glass. Those are nothing but sand, soda, limestone. Sand is nothing but, you can say, mixture of silica. A mixture of silica. Soda is nothing but, you can say, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Okay, limestone, calcium carbonate. calcium carbonate. Okay, so glass is mixture of sand, soda and limestone. Answer is option A. An example of a semiconductor. You know very well silicon, germanium are considered as very important semiconductors. Okay. Which element gives hardness to the stainless steel? Which element gives hardness to the stainless steel? You know very well steel is nothing but mixture of iron with carbon. Okay, so that is Fe plus C is nothing but steel. Steel is not element, that is alloy. Okay, steel is also alloy. If you consider stainless steel, it is a mixture of iron plus carbon plus chromium plus nickel. Nickel and chromium is added. Nickel and chromium is added. Then it will become a stainless steel. Okay. So steel is the main ingredient in the stainless steel. So here which element gives hardness to the stainless steel? That is nothing but carbon. Carbon gives hardness to the stainless steel. And this chromium make it resistant to rust. Resistance to rust. Okay, so carbon gives hardness. Hardness to. Coming to the next one. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on other material by means of electricity. Okay, depositing a layer of any desired metal. For example, if you take a copper, okay, if you want to get gold from that, so you have to make a plating, gold plating. Okay, so that is used in the rolled gold items. Correct. So depositing of the layer by electricity, that is called as electroplating. Electroplating. Okay, galvanization means adding the zinc. Okay, coming to the next one. The element which is used in manufacturing of semiconductors. Semiconductors, silicon, germanium are most important materials. So silicon is there. So answer go with silicon. The main component of urea. What is the main component of urea? Nitrogen. Nitrogen. Okay. So in the urea formula, NH2 CO NH2. So nitrogens. We have two nitrogens, four hydrogens, one carbon, one oxygen. So while we see the formula, we can say here hydrogens are four. Then main component is hydrogen. No, we don't want to take like that. Okay, we have to take their atomic masses. Nitrogen 7 and 14. So total atomic mass 14 into 2. That is approximately 28 here. So hydrogen H11 only. Its mass is just 4. Carbon 6 12. So its mass is 12 only. Oxygen 8 16. So its mass is 16 only. So what is the main component? That is nitrogen. Very important. In the following, which is also known as laughing gas, that is N2 nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Okay. And oxygen is belongs to dash magnetic material. So in the physics, magnets and magnetism have given in detail about this. So oxygen is paramagnetic. If they are asking hydrogen, hydrogen is diamagnetic. Okay. So answer is option B, paramagnetic. The gas that is used in manufacturing of vanaspati ghee, most repeated bit, that is nothing but hydrogen. So generally, if the oil is mixed with some hydrogen, it will becomes like a solid oil. Okay, so that process is called as a hydrogenation. Okay, so the answer is option C. Vanaspati ghee. You know very well vanaspati ghee that is used to make biryanis and some sweets. Okay, in the place of ghee. Ghee is very costly, na? So that's why they go with vanaspati ghee. To prevent rancidity of oil due to oxidation, gas filled in the bags of potato chips. So to avoid the oxidation, we have to go with the nitrogen. So nitrogen is one type of inert gas. It may not participate in the reaction. Okay, so it avoids the reaction. It avoids the oxidation. You know very well in the Lay's packet, here lace, that means the potato chips are very less. Remaining all will be gas only. So we are paying more money to the gas only. Okay, coming to the next one. Quartz used in clocks. The quartz used in clocks is nothing but silicon dioxide, SiO2. Okay. In the fireworks, green color is due to presence of dash. Here green color is due to presence of barium. Very important. Very important. Okay, coming to the next one. Fireworks, green color is due to barium. And if you are asking red color, green color, barium. Sometimes they will also ask red color, that is strontium. Blue color, very rare they will ask, that is copper. Okay, and you know very well, yellow is a dirty fellow. Yellow color always sunflower, that is sodium. Okay, so this green color is only the very important. Okay, and coming to the next one. Dash is used as a marker during the elections. That is silver nitrate, AgNO3. Okay, AgNO3. Okay, students, we will discuss the remaining questions in the next session. Okay, there is a third part in the classification of elements. With this third part, almost the questions will be completed. Okay, students, if you want to download the topic-wise MCQs or theory part of the chemistry, you can visit www.sunilengineeringacademy.com. I will also give in the description box. Okay, you can also click on that. Okay, students, all of you, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys. And also, if you like my classes, don't forget to click on like option. Okay.